Hi friends, myself Premonan Pillai. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos. Today I will tell you something related to the Excel, Microsoft Excel. This is my Excel project and I would like to show you something. In Excel projects, we feel very complicated sometimes because of the cell arrangement. You can see here I would like to check the full marks and I must go one by one, and it is really complicated, and I would like to highlight this whole row with a single click. If I will click on the 50, the whole row must be highlighted. For that I have a simple trick. Please follow the steps and it will be easy for you. First of all, you must go to the files and then go to save as. Then you must save this file as Excel macro enabled workbook. Okay, I'm just saving that. Now I will close this one. Now you can see here a project Excel file is created with an exclamatory mark on the right bottom side, and now I will do my work on this one. Okay, I'm opening this one. Now the Excel sheet is opened. Now I will click two buttons on my keyboard, that is Alt plus F11. Now you can see here a new pop-up window is here, Microsoft Visual Basic for applications. From this one, in the left pane, you can see here 2-3 things. I am selecting the workbook, and now I will right click, then go to view code. Now I will write a command and I will give this in the description also. You can see here I just type private space sub space worksheet, then underscore, underscore selection change. Then I will open a bracket by VAL space target space as space range. Then I will close the bracket and I will press enter. Now I will type target dot calculate. Then I will press enter and I will go to save. Press OK and close this one and close this one also. Now I will select the whole worksheet just like this. On the left top you can see here a triangle. Just click on that. The whole sheet will be selected, and I will go to home, conditional formatting, and I will go to manage rules. and then I will go to new rule and select use a formula to determine which cell to format. Okay, I selected that. Now here also there is a formula. I will type here that is equal to OR bracket cell bracket inverted comma row inverted comma close bracket close. Then again you must go to equal to, again type cell, again bracket open, inverted comma open, ROW, inverted comma close, comma A1 and 2 time bracket close. Now I will go to the format and will go to fill, and I will select a color. Now I am selecting yellow color. You can select whichever color you want. There is no issue with this. Okay, okay, apply, okay. Now I will select this one. Okay, after saving the whole thing, you can see here security warning. You must enable this one. After enabling, you can see here, now whichever cell I selected, the whole row is highlighted so that you can do your work very easily. There is no third-party application required. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology and Royal Enfield related videos. Thank you very much.